Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is not going to be very long. I actually just want to do a swatch video for the LA Looks Good On You collection by Smashbox. This is a new launch. Wow, so pretty, lots of things. In case you didn't know, I have been part of the Smashbox family for a long time, ever since they made it Smashbox. Do they still do that? I don't know if they still do that, but I first worked with them on some of my cover music videos, and they did my makeup. I went to their studios. It was really awesome. And I love the team, and I love the ethics, and I love everything about them, their makeup. I'm a longtime fan, so there you go. Back to the makeup. LA Looks Good On You collection basically is glosses and a cover shot palette. The whole collection is inspired by Los Angeles, which is where I live. And it's really awesome. I really feel like they have chosen colors and pigments that are true to the vibe of this city, which is just so big and so diverse and vibrant, and it all just makes a lot of sense from what I've played with. I'm actually wearing my entire eye look from that palette today. I'm not going to cover how I did it. I just want you to know it's what's on my eye, including the eyeliner. Actually, you know what? I'll give you a quick peek of that right now. In true Smashbox cover shot fashion, it is a holographic package. Inside the palette are 16 shades, 9 mattes, 7 shimmers, all of them super pigmented, are really vivid, very easy to blend, and I really love working with this whole palette.
You spent all this time thinking of me. How come you're not there when you got me? I know that you're busy, so make the time. If you want this with me, do me right. I could be somewhere else, but I'd rather be with you. And that's what I call time well spent.
Okay, so for the glosses, I'm gonna swatch each one on my lip so you can see exactly how it goes on. Mind you, you might have a different skin tone. Not all of these are gonna look good on me, at least that's what I think. And I tried to keep my eye look as simple as possible so that it wouldn't clash with any of the colors. I'm gonna scooch you in just a little bit so you guys can see better. And as we go, I'll put some pop-ups and information about the glosses. I love them. And there you have it, loves, the full swatches of all the Los Angeles lip gloss collection. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you are notified of new videos coming out on my channel. I would like to know what you guys would like to see more of on my channel. Leave a comment below and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!